Well, this is another day of 7 days 7 eye looks, and this is actually all violet. I used these 4 eyeshadow palettes. Again, remind you the shades, not the palettes. If you want to recreate this look, probably you will have the shades, and of course, probably if you don't have the shades, you can make it your own with other shades. It's alright, but the series is themed violet, so yeah, all violets. I will apply this violet or this lilac. I will grab this shade and blend the edges. They're kind of more blended, not that harsh. Now I will grab this palette and I will use this shade here. Now I will grab this eyeshadow and I will apply it wet, just in the middle, and then slightly bit more towards the inner corner. I will grab this shade now. And it was missing the highlight. I will pick this shade and I will apply it in the inner corner and under the arch of the brow. And there you go. If you like it, thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video.